Hey guys, really excited to be bringing to you the Renpho Solar Smart Scale today, and actually unboxing and reviewing it. You see, here's the scale just here. Now, why I'm so excited is with the Renpho scale, it actually has 13 different types of measurements it takes with you just standing on it, which is really exciting. So from the scale, you stand on there and it does it for you. So what I'm gonna do now is gonna jump on the scale and get my measurement and show you what it comes to. And then we're gonna look a bit about the app. And I guess while I'm doing that, what I might do is just show you the app quickly. So you can see just here is the app. Now the app is very easy to set up. You just literally go to the App Store, download the Renpho Health app, and you can download it. So let's jump on now, jump on the scales and come back and talk a bit more about what it actually shows us. Let's do it now. Okay, so here's the scales just here. Now to start with, I suggest you go onto a hard floor. I did carpet before and it seemed to give different results. It's as simple as actually standing on the scales, having Bluetooth connected, of course, and standing here. And what it's gonna do, it's gonna get your weight. You see that clicking there? It means it's uploading to the Bluetooth. Wait a minute. And there we are, it's uploaded to Bluetooth. So that's actually connected now to Bluetooth. Let's go back and look at the app and see how it's been updated. Okay, there you go. So we jumped on the Renpho scales just here and actually got the measurements. Now, as you can see here on the app, body weight is 73.8 kilos. Now, what I like straight away is how actually specific that is. Not random numbers, it actually gives it straight to it. It also gives these 13 different levels of body composition. Now, I'm not a trained medical expert, so I can't say how accurate these are, but if you look at it, it gives a lot more information behind what it says. So if we go and look at body composition, you've got the weight there, it gives a breakdown of water, protein, body fat, and bone mass, which is good. And then it goes through each of the different elements. You see, having different elements is important. When you're working out, trying to increase your body mass, having different indicators helps you know where to focus your workout routines and work out what you're working on. So with this one, you've got the weight there, 73.8 kilos, BMI 25.5, which is saying slightly high, a bit surprising because I do work out a lot. Body fat percentage 16.1%, which is fitness. There's my skeletal muscle as well. Fat-free mass there. So what this basically shows you is a different composition of how your body looks. So visceral fat average, body water 60%, muscle mass 58.82. So that's where I work out a lot at the gym. And bone mass there, protein. So what you can do is you can actually look at each of these yourself and work out whether or not you need to focus on it. Is it you need to lose a bit more fat, need to increase your bone mass? Is your BMI a bit high? But because the app, as you can see here, tracks it all. So you go to history, it actually tracks your weight as you go. So say you're working out, you want to improve it. It shows you how you've improved over time, which I think is excellent. Now, they don't actually charge you either for the tracking of the app, which I think is absolutely brilliant. Normally, they charge you money to do this. And you can see also I've added Arbs on there as well. So Arbs has actually got his own profile, and then he can use it. So you can have family or friends join this as well. But to not have a subscription for the app is great. You can do things on here as well, such as, if we go back, you can also do your calories. So you can add your calories on there if you want. So turn it on, allow that. You can put what we've had for breakfast, lunch, and actually start tracking that as well, which is important. You can put your fitness in there. It really is a total way of tracking your health and tracking your fitness, so it's great. And solar powered as well. So this means you can sit this outside, and it'll track, it will charge for you as well. It's got good battery life as it is, but look at that. So it's a very, very affordable scale, and I can see why they've sold so many of these. It looks great. So let me know, guys, if you've actually used it, if you used it for fitness. But I'm going to do a follow-up review in the future to show what's happened after using it for a few weeks. Thank you.